welcome back to our channel, and we're gonna be building a redstone door trap.
We sure are. Alright, so we have everything marked out and laid out so you can follow along a lot easier. Purple is going to be for repeaters and green is for comparators. Blue is redstone and brown is pistons. This black dot is to show you what it does. So, to start off with, we're going to want to have a block up and place your sticky piston. Have a block sticky piston facing upwards, one facing into that sticky piston. From there you want to place 1, 2, 3 repeaters. The two sides set to 2 ticks. This one needs to be upwards and this one's going to power that. From here you want to place redstone dust all along here, connecting them up. Getting a sticky piston, placing it this way towards, in line with this one facing this way, but one block down. With a redstone block on top of it to power this. From there, what you're going to want to do is you want to place a redstone dust here, single one, with a dropper on top of, underneath a hopper with any stackable or any it doesn't even need to be a stackable item, just any item in here, just inside of here, alright? With a redstone comparator coming out of it, with redstone dust after. After that redstone dust, what you're going to want to do is you're going to place a repeater this way, 2 dust, comparator facing opposite ways, opposite directions. It really doesn't matter which way you put it, because it just doesn't, because it'll work the same way. Anyways, so you want 2 redstone dust. You can put a repeater or you can put redstone dust here. Sorry, dust. It doesn't matter. I like to put a repeater just to make it a little bit more, yeah. Anyways, from there, 3 redstone dust, and then you can have some sort of link. So there, and yeah, just you can put. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so this is what happens when you hit the button to, yeah. It takes a bit of time. I'm sorry, but this thing is just really annoying me. Can you please just wrong. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this in the video. I don't care. I hate these guys. Can you please just not? Move. Just. Thank you. The alarms can stay, but just move away from where you are. I don't think that's possible. Don't go to duck to your mate. Your mate comes to you. All right. Oh my God! Stop running! Jesus Christ! 1 second, sorry. This is calling in Mr. Stevens back up, Mr. Steve's old ways. Thank you. Okay. Now, don't mind that. Don't mind that. You hit it, it goes down. You have a few seconds, and it comes back up. So it's nice if you want to have a hidden base on an online server, or you just like the entrance itself. So to give a bit of a demonstration, basically if you had like a base under here, won't make it fancy, but say you had like a small base under here or whatever, and you wanted to hide it from your mates or something. I don't know, I'm not really picky with anything, so say it's your mates, you're trying to hide it from them, or you just like the look. Again, as I said, I really don't care what you guys do what with it, but it's really cool in my opinion to do this. So obviously you have your base in here, and so you would hit the button, quickly run in and get into your base, and then it'd be blocked off for yeah. So that's that. Anyway guys, this little man's gonna do the outro with enthusiasm. Come on, show us what you got.
Bye.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, comment down any more redstone designs you want. So if you want a piston door, a 4x4 piston door, TNT launcher, T flip-flop, anything you want, Minecraft related, I guess, comment down below what we want to see. Alright, thank you guys, bye.